towards your feet. Shadows linger, whispers stay. I still hear you call my name.
Every tear becomes a line written in the sands of time. Though the storm will fade away, your voice in me will always stay. Echoes in the rain, calling me again. Through the silence, through the pain, I can't hide, I can't escape. Echoes in the rain, love I can't replace. Empty windows, lights are gone, still your melody lives on. Every drop against my skin feels like where we've once been. If the morning breaks too soon,